Okay, welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how to upload and create a flag really easy. So we're going to go to our flag template, and I made a previous video about how to make these. So this is just a generic flag template that I made, and this flag is for basically installing 3D objects into this circle. So our flag's already pre-drawn, ready to go. We'll go over here to modeling. We'll go up here to import a component or 3D model. We'll click on that. And this one's going to be dedicated to my grandfather, who was a Pearl Harbor survivor. So we'll go ahead and we need the US Navy. Right there. So let's click on that. And we can see if that works. No. We'll just do all 3D files. Okay. We got the US Navy highlighted, and let's open it. And this will take a little bit to get this in here because it's a pretty big file, but it will come in. And it's going to come in really big, so we'll have to scale it down to fit in this circle. This particular flag template right now is 30 by 16. And as I'm waiting for this flag to download, there is a turkey going right by my window. Okay, it should be getting close to coming in here. I'll be able to just click on this file and put different. Okay, the models come in, and let's see where it's at. We resized it, import. Here it comes. And there it is. Now what we want to do is resize it a little bit. This did take a long time to come in here. We're going to resize it a little more. What we want to do is be right inside this line. So it needs to come down a little more. And maybe just a little more. Bingo. Okay. So we've just imported our US Navy logo into the sign. And now that's it. We don't really need to do anything else with this view. We can switch over to our dual path and cut this out. And the first thing I like to do is cut out the stars. So we'll highlight those and we'll V-carve those. Material thickness, we need to be 1.5 because of how thick this Navy 3D is. And we'll hit enter. We'll go from the material surface, model position. You can see how thick the model is right there. And all the rest will be good, and we'll hit OK for that. We don't need to use a clearance tool because we're cutting the inside of the stars. And let's calculate. And there's our stars. We can preview those stars. And we'll position our board so you can see the stars. They look good inlaid like that. Okay. Next up, we're going to click out of that, and we're going to highlight our stripes. And they're all highlighted really good. We'll go up here. We're going to do a pocket toolpath, and it's going to use a 1/4 inch and an 1/8 inch end mill. We're going to just do a 1/4 inch thick, 1/4 inch deep. And all these, the rest, climb, all this stuff can stay the same, and we'll calculate. And you can see it cut them out really nice. We'll preview it. And you can see, yeah, it looks good. Okay, we'll close that, go back to our 2D view. Then next step is the model. So we'll highlight the model, make sure it's highlighted, and then we're going to do a roughing toolpath. We're going to do model boundary, And we're going to leave the machining allowance at 0.04. That gives that much room for the finishing pass. And then we'll hit calculate. And we'll preview that one. And you can see the 1/4 inch mill takes a lot away. And it actually did a good job right there. Okay, now we're going to go to the finishing toolpath. 2D, right here's the finishing toolpath. 1/8 inch ball nose, which works very well. Model boundary, just leave all that the same. We're going to do a raster, which is back and forth like that. And we're going to calculate. And we will preview all toolpaths. And we'll zoom in. Yeah, that's a good looking logo. United States Navy. And I'm going to make this dedicated to my grandpa. Okay, there you go. That's simple. So if you make a flag template, you can crank these out pretty quick. That took about, I don't know, it took more time to download this 3D model than anything. But there you go. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.